Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd. Just back again with a quick update for gold and DXY coming into the new week. Our trades from last week, were in profit. They're currently running, so we did manage to have successful trades last week. So now looking into this week, as gold is testing recent or past highs, looking to break those highs. So yeah, let's just look at the DXY and see what's going on. So not much on the DXY. It's still in this uh, bullish channel on the monthly. So we are still looking for the DXY to drop down here and then continue that sort of movement. So right now our bias on the DXY is bearish. Let's move into the weekly. Weekly, same thing on the weekly. Same thing on the weekly. We're in this short term, not short term, it's a weekly time frame. We're in this bearish channel and the market is trending downwards. We're looking for the market to break this previous low and come and test this order block or decision point that we have and reverse upwards. That's what we have on the daily. On the daily, we're keen to look at the market structure. I think we can see better on the H4. Market structure right now on the DXY is bearish. As you can see, we had lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So expecting a break of this lower low and a continuation of the trend and the market structure that is bearish. So that's the simple outlook that we have for the DXY. Now let's look at gold from a technical standpoint. Start on the higher time frames. So if we look at gold on the monthly time frame, if we look at gold on the monthly time frame, we can see that the market is very bullish. The market is very bullish and has the potential to break these previous highs. We've been locked in this almost like consolidation or this almost like retracement because I can see a clear push, correction, and now we're having another push upwards. That's what I see on gold on this monthly time frame. So our bias on gold right now is bullish, uh, because all signs are pointing towards a bullish gold. If we go down to a weekly, same thing. Last week's candle closed in a very bullish manner. A full green bar to the upside, no wick, no nothing. Testing these previous highs. So we're just gonna have to see what happens next week. Let's go down to a daily time frame so we can see what's happening. So on the daily time frame, as you can see that actually start on the weekly coming to the daily. Right. So on the daily, as you can see, I think I pointed this out in the past weeks. We have this major trend here, push, correction. So currently we're in a push phase and we're looking for gold to come into here and test this upper trend line, and then we can have maybe some movement like that or something along those lines. But as for now, we're looking for gold to come into this position right here, up here, somewhere into this zone. Those are our targets according to our trend lines, because we like to trade from trend lines to trend lines. So our expectation is up here. Even if we pull out our trend-based Fibonacci from the lowest point to the highest point to the retracement point, You can see that I like to target this 0.786, which is lining up with this trend line up here. So we still have room for gold to push up. There's still a lot of room for gold to push up. So let's go now on the H4. So like we said, we use trends and trends. We currently have this bullish trend, and inside the bullish trend, we have another smaller bullish trend. So in terms of an entry for gold, I would be looking for something along these lines where uh, the market does create some sort of bullish flag pattern, correction to the downside, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, depending on the fundamentals that are going to be involved in the coming week, if we have a bullish flag pattern like this coming to test this previous high and testing this trend line, we could get a good buy. So currently our positions were down here from last week, and we did get a massive push up. And we're looking to continue scaling into gold and continue to take advantage of the bullish movement. Uh, in terms of market structure, we'll check market structure out on the other strategy. But for now, in terms of the trend is still valid. We're looking for maybe a correction to the downside, testing this high and also testing this trend line, and then a break and retest of the bullish flag pattern will give us our entry to jump in. So like we said, we're still targeting up here for gold. We're looking for the market to come up here. Uh, yeah, around here. We're looking for the market to push further to the upside on gold. So let's go to the next strategy. So in terms of entries wise, still we have our orders from last week that are still present here. In terms of entries, we're looking for, before our entry, our market structure is still positive. Our market structure is still very bullish on gold. As you can see, we had a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now we have a higher high. So our previous higher low is here. Any break below this low would signal a change in structure, in market structure. Any movement below this zone or below this previous higher low would indicate a change in structure to sell. But as for now, there is no change in structure. The market structure is still very bullish, so we cannot even be looking for any sell opportunities right now. Right now, we're still very, 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 very bullish. All right. So in terms of entries, it's still quite early to tell, but we might get more information on Monday. But anytime Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, if the market does retrace into this previous order block or decision point, we can look for entries to buy, which is also lining up with the retracement we're expecting here. But in a bullish flag pattern manner, those are the two entries I'll be looking for. The bullish flag pattern entry, and then this is a rally-based rally. So same like I've always called it, even this entry here, we have a rally base to the side, rally to the upside, then a test of the base and a push up. Right, this is the entry that I always look for, and this is the entry that that's in my trade book or my trading plan. Rally, base to the side, rally, come back to the base and push up, rally, base, rally. This is literally the same thing. This right here is the entry signal that we're looking for. So let's just check our fundamentals and our sentiment really quick. In terms of fundamentals, we have non-farm on Friday, but I won't be trading non-farm on Friday. I'll hope to take my entries Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and have my entries in the market already before Friday, so that NFP can do its thing whilst we're already in our trades. So that's the only thing to look out for. Of course, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they are fundamentals. We'll just have to see how those play out. Usually I don't like to enter before the fundamentals kick in, so we'll see if we can wait for 5 p.m., 3:15 and 3:30 on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Our Forex sentiment, so right now the sentiment, let me just reload that. Uh, right now the sentiment on gold is 75% of people are 75% of the volume or the orders are short, and then 25% are long. So we like to always go with the minority. So I'm happy that 25% of people or 25% of the orders are long. That means the big money is long and the retail traders are short, and the market is always going to take out these people that are trying to short the market, trying to find the high or the top of the market as the market will still continue to rally. So yeah, I did promise to show you guys to show my prop firm challenge, so I'm just gonna do exactly that. I've currently been doing a uh, funded trader capital 5K challenge. Let me start with the stage one and show you guys what happened on the stage one. Challenge accounts. So the first ever challenge that I did, it was a $50,000 account and I failed that in stage one. And then I went on to do a 5K challenge here, which is the success. This failed one is when they transferred my account from, I think Markets to Trade Locker. So this doesn't count because I'm still currently doing it. So in my phase one, I did manage to achieve the target profit, which was 5,000, which was 400, and yeah, 400, and it took me 17 days. These are my trades. Actually, all of them were on gold, and I did manage to pass this phase one. If we go on to phase two here, phase two. So what happened on phase two was that the trades I took, I first started this account on the 25th of October, and I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades in a row from the 25th to the 15th of November, 8 trades, and I lost 8 trades. But however, from the 21st, actually no, from the 15th to the 24th, I then took 3 other trades. These are the trades we took last week, and they managed to help me pass my funded account. I didn't pass because there's still an issue of the consistency rule where they say you cannot achieve more than 60% profit in a single trading day. I managed to achieve 129% profit, so I haven't managed to pass this account even though I've met the profit targets already for stage two. I think I'm going to switch proprietary firms or prop firms because I don't like this consistency rule. Even though I've passed, I've met your profit target. You're not going to let me pass just because I earned too much profit in one day. That doesn't make any sense for me. I've traded the minimum trading days. You've seen that I took losses, then I managed to uh, make my losses back and more. I think my strategy has a low hit rate, but a high risk to reward because most of the times uh, I will lose a lot, but lose small. But when I win, I win big. So when I win, it's like I win almost like 1:8, according to what I'm seeing here. If I can lose 8 trades and then my only winning trade will cover my 8 losses and give me my profit, that's a good risk to reward. You can see my equity curve was steadily going down in a steady manner. That means small losses, small controlled losses, and then it finally shot up all the way. So yeah, this is ongoing. I think the only way I can pass this challenge, they said that I need to earn more profit. I asked them how, they didn't really state an amount, so I'm just gonna keep trading it and see what happens. But yeah, guys, this is me, Mr. Xauusd, Marcus Willpower here. I'm glad that I got to do this, and I'm gonna keep trading. I'm forced to keep trading, not forced, but I have to keep trading. Not have to, but I want to keep trading in December to make sure that when January comes, hopefully I can have this funded account. And from this $5,000 account, I'm looking to go up to 50,000 and scale my way up, and as well trade some personal capital starting in January. So yeah, Mr. Xauusd here, Marcus Willpower. This was my market forecast for gold and the GXY for the coming week, and hopefully we can catch more trades and earn more profits and take advantage of this bullish movement. So yeah, if anyone has any contributions, if you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment anything that you guys see or anything that I missed. Just comment, and yeah, we can engage. So take care and see you guys next week.